Hi everyone, I am Dipali Vora, an AML expert with over 8 years of experience in the financial crime compliance. I welcome you to Rapid AML, your ultimate destination for all things. Today, we will discuss name screening. We are going to focus on what it is and why it matters. So get comfortable and let's jump right in. So to begin with, let's understand what is name screening. Name screening is the process of comparing the names of our customers, suppliers, or associated business partners against sanction list, politically exposed person databases, and negative news. Now that we know there are three components, let's understand each of them. First is sanction screening. Sanction screening helps you to detect if the person you are dealing with is sanctioned. To check if a person is sanctioned or not, you need to check your customer's name against the required sanction list. To give you an example, the targeted financial sanctions regime of United Arab Emirates prescribes screening the names of customers against UAE local terrorist list and UNSC consolidated list. There are other important sanction lists also, like European Union list, OFAC list, UK HMT list, and there are many more. Reporting the sanctioned person is a regulatory requirement under the UAE AML CFT CPF laws. The second component that we are going to understand is politically exposed person or PEP screening. PEP screening checks customers' name against politically exposed person database. It helps you to determine whether a customer is a PEP. Now the question that you would have is, what is a PEP? A PEP is a natural person who has a prominent public position or functions, such as head of state or a senior executive in government. Under the AML CFT CPF laws, enhanced due diligence or EDD needs to be conducted for politically exposed person. Therefore, PEP screening helps you recognize if a person is PEP and adopt EDD measures for them. The third component that we will understand is adverse media screening. Adverse media screening helps you to detect if your customer is associated with any negative news or media indicating their involvement in financial crime. Through this, you can get additional information to understand your customer's identity and avoid potential customers who may be involved in money laundering or terrorism financing or proliferation financing. This screening helps flag financial crime risk so you can make an informed decisions and avoid any trouble down the road. Now, the next question that you must have in your mind is, why do we need to conduct name screening? Name screening is basically a security check to ensure that you understand the person you are dealing with and the financial crime risk associated with them. When you understand the money laundering, terrorism financing, or proliferation financing risk associated with a customer, you are able to manage this risk better. Basically, name screening helps you to adopt a risk based approach to financial crime risk management, which means that the higher the risk a customer possesses, the higher controls you need to adopt. Further, name screening is a regulatory requirement for entities regulated under anti money laundering, combating the financing of terrorism, or countering proliferation financing laws. Additionally, name screening results may trigger regulatory reporting requirements. For example, in UAE, a match for sanction screening triggers regulatory reporting. You would need to file a fund freeze report for a 100% complete sanction match or a partial name match report for a partial sanction match. Therefore, name screening needs to be an essential component of your customer due diligence process. To sum up, in this video, we have discussed what is name screening and why we perform name screening. In the upcoming video, we will discuss when will we perform it and how will we perform it. So, stay tuned for future insights. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.